What's up everyone, Sacra here. Today I'm going to show you how to learn to sweep tap from the absolute ground floor. One of the biggest mistakes guitar players make is trying to jump straight into giant 5 and 6 string sweep patterns before they've learned the smaller pieces that make those patterns even work. This workout solves that problem. We're going to start with a single tap note and gradually build all the way up to a full 6 string sweep tapped arpeggio. Think of this as building a house. You don't want to start with the roof, right? You want to start with the foundation. So let's go ahead and get started. Exercise 1. We're starting with a single tapped A note. That's it. No sweeping, no complicated coordination, just getting comfortable with the tapping motion itself. If you're completely new to tapping, this is where your journey begins. Exercise 2. Now we're adding a second note. We're going to hammer on from nowhere and then tap. Notice we're not learning any entirely new concept. We're simply expanding the previous exercise. Exercise 3. Now we're up to 3 notes. Hammer on from nowhere, another fretted note, and then a tap note. At this point, you're starting to hear the sound of an A minor arpeggio emerging. The shape is beginning to take form. Exercise 4. Now we're moving into a 2-string A minor arpeggio. This is where things begin to sound like an actual chord. Now you're hearing the full A minor triad across 2 strings. Exercise 5. Same A minor triad, but now we're adding the tapped high A. Congratulations! At this point, you're officially sweep tapping. Exercise 6. Now we're introducing the reverse motion. We're going to tap the high A, then pull off into the A minor triad. This is your first introduction to backward sweep tapping. Take your time here. This motion feels very different than moving upward or forward. Exercise 7. Now we're putting both directions together. Forward sweep, tap, backward sweep. At this point, you're officially sweep tapping in both directions. This is where the technique really starts to become musical. Exercise 8. Now we're moving into a 3-string A minor sweep in second inversion. No tapping yet. I just want you to focus entirely on becoming comfortable with navigating 3 strings. Exercise 9. Same 3-string second inversion shape, but now we're adding the tapped high A. We are officially tapping again. Exercise 10. Now we're taking that same shape and working it backwards. Tap the high A, then descend through the arpeggio using a backward sweep. For many players, this is where things start to get really interesting. Exercise 11. Now we're combining everything. Forward sweep, tap, backward sweep. This is your first complete 3-string sweep tapping pattern. Exercise 12. Time for 4-string sweeps. No tapping yet, just focus on learning how it feels to move smoothly across 4 strings. And honestly, it's pretty awkward. Exercise 13. Now we're adding the tapped high A, forward sweep, tap, simple and controlled. Exercise 14. Now we're starting from the top. Tap the high A first and then descend through the shape with a backward sweep. This introduces the reverse version of the 4-string pattern. Exercise 15. Now we're combining everything together. Forward sweep, tap, backward sweep. This is your first complete 4-string sweep tapping pattern. Exercise 16. Welcome to 5-string sweeps. We're now playing the sweep in a triplet pattern. No tapping yet though. Just get comfortable with navigating the larger shape. Exercise 17. Same 5-string pattern, but now you're adding the tapped high A. This is one of the first official 5-string sweep tapping licks. Exercise 18. Now we're moving backward. Tap the high A, then descend through the pattern using a backward sweep. This can feel really awkward at first because you're crossing so many strings, but just stay patient. Exercise 19. Now we're putting everything together. A forward sweep, tap, backward sweep. Personally, this is where sweep tapping starts to become really fun. It's one of my favorites. Exercise 20. Now we've arrived at the 6-string first inversion A minor arpeggio. This can feel pretty gnarly if you've never played a 6-string sweep before. Take your time with this, no tapping yet, just focus on the sweep pattern itself. Become comfortable with moving across all 6 strings. Exercise 21. Same 6-string first inversion shape, but now we're adding the tapped high A. The difficulty is definitely starting to ramp up now. Exercise 22. Now we're taking the pattern backward. Tap the high A and descend through the arpeggio using a backward sweep all the way down to that minor third. Exercise 23. This is the boss fight. Forward sweep, tap, backward sweep. A full 6-string first inversion A minor sweep tapping arpeggio. This is the hardest pattern in the workout. Final lick. Now it's time to put everything you've learned together. This final lick combines a lot of the concepts you've already learned throughout this workout. The tapping, the forward sweep, the backward sweep, the synchronization, the string transitions, and if you can play this comfortably, you built a solid foundation for sweep tapping. Remember, every giant 6-string tapping lick started as a single tapped note. Master the fundamentals and the advanced stuff becomes much easier. And if you'd like the complete PDF workout along with the guitar profile so you can slow down everything, loop sections, and practice along at your own pace, you can grab it over on my Patreon. The link for everything you need is below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all up-and-coming notifications about future lessons. In the meantime, keep shredding.